Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put checkbox symbol in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to put checkbox symbol in this document. Go to the Insert menu. Then click Symbol option. Then choose More Symbol. Then we select the headings 2. Then select checkbox. Then insert it. Then close the window. Now we can see here we put checkbox symbol very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.